Oh my God!
I'm cutting.
That's narrow.
Zay, what's poppin'? Man, I can't believe I'm making this video. I don't even believe it myself, as y'all see by the title. I'm cutting my hair. Years of length and growth, and today I'm cutting it. As you see, I'm already starting to take one out. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe it. So the reason why, really just needed a drastic change. Nothing has even been going wrong. Life has been good, but I think I just am ready for a dramatic change. And I think my hair is probably one of the most dramatic changes I can make to myself right now. And another reason as well, it gives me the opportunity to actually grow out my sides. Because when I started this hairstyle, I wasn't expecting to have this long hair anyway. But now that I have it, I'm like, okay, I need to grow this out so I can have more locks when I do end up locking my hair. So I don't know how short I'm gonna go. I don't know exactly how low I'm gonna go. I don't know, bro. I don't know, but I do want to grow out my sides. So here it is. Here it is. If y'all don't see this video, then obviously I chickened out, and actually I would have never posted anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'm just kind of talking for no reason, but I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I haven't told anyone. I haven't even really hinted at it. The only person that even knows I was thinking about it is my girl, and she probably doesn't believe me because I've been saying it for months. I was gonna cut my hair and I've never done it. Every time, like, I just go and get like an edge up. So I'm actually gonna do it today. I cannot believe it, bro. Like, so as y'all see, I just need to grow out all of that. Once I grow, oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm doing this. Hey, bro, look how long my hair is. You know how long that's gonna take to grow back? Oh God. I kind of feel like I'm gonna lose aura. Like, you know how like when you got long hair, you wear a beanie and the hair come out the bottom? Like, I'm not gonna have that aura no more. Oh man. Let me stop before I talk myself out of it. So I pretty much got it all taken out. I just gotta comb it now. Man, I can't believe this, bro. I cannot believe this. Hope I don't chicken out, because it's definitely gonna be like a game time decision. When I sit in the chair, I'm either gonna be like, I'm gonna pull it up and be like, yeah, you know, just go ahead and edge me up. Or I'm really just gonna be like, hey, look, just take it off. Take it off. He'll be like, what? And I'm like, don't even ask me. Don't make me second guess myself. Do not make me second guess myself. It's 11:30 right now. I get my hair cut at 1 o'clock. I have too much time to sit and think about my decision. That's the problem right now. I got too much time. It's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. I'm over there trying to envision myself without it. Like, I'm over here like this, like, ah! Well, on the way. Man, oh man, it is getting real. I have 15 minutes to think about my decision. I'm holding up strong though. We holding strong. See how I go. Well, I did do it. I didn't punk out. I finally cut my hair, bro. That is crazy. I can't believe it. I can't believe it myself. I cannot believe it myself. Oh my goodness. I just had to go in there. I would have recorded in there, but I'm telling y'all, like, I almost didn't do it. And then I sat in the chair. He was like, but you gonna do the regular? And I almost was like, yeah, just give me the regular, you know, edged up on the sides. But I was like, let's go ahead and do it. Cut it off, man. It is off. I can't believe it. Like, I can like really like touch my head. Like, that's so crazy. Dang, that's crazy. Well, we're starting from step one, man. We're starting from step one. I'm gonna grow everything out now on the side. So instead of having kind of like all this is gonna be growing out. So when I do grow my hair out, it'll look just a little bit better. Goodness gracious. I'm ready to see everyone's reactions, bro. Everyone's reactions are what's gonna be really hilarious. But end up doing it, and I don't think nobody's seen it coming, so I can't wait to see everybody's reactions. One thing I didn't take into account are hats. Like, I can't even wear my hat anymore. It's too big. Bro, look at all this space. Bro, I can't even rock my hat no more. Bro, it looks crazy. Even like my trucker, like look where I used to have. Only 2 was put in with my hair. Bro, that is crazy. Oh, let me try to see if I can fix it. I don't even know how to like rock hats with like without hair anymore. Dang, that's crazy.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Where is your hair? It looks good.
Thank you.
But where's your hair?
I thought you were about to be inside.
You did it?
Yeah.
No way. Hey, my grandbaby. Hey, my granddaughter. You look so handsome. Oh.
Look, I just said,
Yeah, I like it.
how you
Oh. I cannot believe you.
doing? Listen, what I
in the
say.
face.
Cash.
You look so
Hi.
handsome.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi.
Oh my goodness. I cannot believe you actually did that.
Hi.
Me neither.
Hi. Listen, he came.
Well, I did it. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. This is like young me. Like, I don't think I've had hair this short since like, I don't even know when. I don't know the last time I've had my hair this short. But that's gonna be it in the video. Thank y'all for watching. It was a great day, bro. It was a great day. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all leave a like. Drop a comment, man. You know, hype me up, hype me up. And of course, subscribe. We hit 300 about a week ago. We are at 320 now. Let's go, keep rolling, bro. Let's keep rolling. I'm dropping, so tap in. I'm out.